UH researchers envision a superhighway system of the future that could move people, cargo, and energy by embedding superconductors into existing highway infrastructure. Vehicles with magnetized undercarriages levitate along the superconductor Guideway at speeds of at least 400 miles an hour. This potentially world-changing technology could one day make air travel and traditional freight transport obsolete. UH ranks among the top 100 global universities for the number of utility patents issued in 2022 on a list published by the National Academy of Inventors. UH had 32 patents granted last year. Utility patents are among the most valuable assets in the world. UH researchers are working to clear harmful chemicals from coastal waters by implanting hydroponically grown native grasses and wetland plants along the Gulf of Mexico coastline. Around the world, aquatic plants have long been used to reduce chemicals, heavy metals, and more, vastly improving water quality.